Do you remember me? We haven't talked in a while. How you used to dream before you gave up your smile. When you were young and free, built castles in the air. I wanted to find you, I'm here to remind you, no matter how hard it gets, the years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Don't sleep on your dreams. Tell me, can you see what you've known all your life? When your head's in the clouds, it's right in front of your eyes. You've been pushed and pulled till it's hard to believe. Oh, but I know that you're gonna be going where you're meant to be. No matter how hard it gets, the years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't have to live with regrets. Look up and lift up your head and stand up tall. Stand up tall. Just bring it to life, work through the night, give it some time, oh the future is bright. Don't turn away, 'cause you're gonna break through, child. No matter how hard it gets, the years and the tears you spent are worth it all. It's worth it all. Don't sleep on your dreams. Oh brother, where are you? Think I need a hand. Can you come pick me up? Don't know where I am, but I can tell it's not where I want to be. Oh brother, help me out. Keep your eye on me. Don't let me go somewhere I can't find my way back. No, don't let me go. Don't let me go somewhere I can't find my way back. No, don't let me go. Don't let me go somewhere I can't find my way back. No, don't let me go. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Don't let me let myself lose my way. I can't quite trust my feet to keep me walking straight. Maybe I should be stronger now, but I can tell I'm not. So brother, walk with me. I think you're all I've got. Don't let me go somewhere I can't find my way back. No, don't let me go. as I often do. If you watch over me, I'll watch over you. I won't let you go somewhere you can't find your way back. I won't